Alright guys, so now we have completed the schedule of this project, and so this is just an outline, and you can, for your project, you have to do these things in detail. Okay, so now what we do is that we print this in a PDF. Okay, so for that you press Ctrl P to print, and after that you select Adobe PDF, or you can select Microsoft Print to PDF as well. And landscape orientation and page you select A3. Okay, because it's a big timeline. And if you see all the views over here, you can click here, multiple pages. Okay, and you can see that this page and this page is fine, but these are the cut pages. So there must be some problem, and you can see over here there is some additional task that has been created by accident, and you can see that over here. So let's delete this, and we'll right click and click on delete task, and now again press Ctrl plus P, and if you see over here, let's see the multiple views. Then again you see that over here, and if we see all the pages, then you can see that these pages are cut because this should be a part of this page. And to fix this, what we do, we go back to our main window over here, because this has been set to the months view and it is taking a lot of space, right? That is why the software is not able to fit it in a single window or a single page. So what you do, you just go over here and click on zoom out. Now it has zoomed out. You can see July, August, September, then you can see October. So now you can see the quarter view, right? So now you go to Control P, and you can see that now the software is able to fit in 2 pages, right? If you go down, now it has fit into 2 pages. So alternatively, what you can do is that you can reduce the length of these columns, and you can also remove this predecessor because it is not required, and then you can try to fit in the months view. Alternatively, you can increase the size of the page and you can fit this Gantt chart in a single page with the months view. After that, if you press print, it will save the file to your hard disk. Okay, alright guys, so this much for this video. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and take care.